YouTube, welcome back to the channel here at DIY American Veteran. Doing a tour of our dirt bikes that we race with. We got Trinity and Matthew race the bike. Matthew races the KX85 there. It's a 2022 model. We're going to do a tour around it first. We'll pull it out here, let you look at it. We just installed some new grips, some new clutch and brake lever, new foot pegs, and a new seat cover today. Did you get a look at that? What do you think about this bike, Matt?
It's really fun, and it's a big upgrade for my 2018 YZ65.
All right, next we got our pit bike that we use just to tool around from the starting line to the track or station stand, whatever we might need to do. We got a great deal on this bike a couple years ago. It's a 2019 KLX 140, and we put graphics on it and grips, and that's just about it. Well, we did a new set of handlebars, and we'll pull it out and let y'all do a little tour around it. What do you think about this as the pit bike, Matt?
It's really fast and fun, and I like to pit around on it. It's fun. It's real nice.
Next in our lineup, we have a 2014 Yamaha 125 two-stroke that we just had rebuilt, so it's got a totally new motor in it. We put new graphics and plastics on it. The only thing we really didn't like was the gas tank was blue, but we'll just have to live with that. Got a new seat cover on it, new motor. Got the Boyson racing covers on both sides, new tires, the Cherubies disc brake cover. And we'll let you do a short tour on it. Matt's hoping to graduate to this bike here pretty soon. Isn't that what your hopes are, Matt?
Yeah.
And then last but not least, we have the Kawasaki KX250F. The F is for the 4-stroke model. This is Trinity's main race bike, what she uses now. And it's a 2021 model, and we'll let Matt do a tour of it right where it sits. We just changed out the desert sand plastics to the gray. Trinity has got a new sponsor. Maxie's a sponsor at the Oklahoma State Championship Series races. And we pit with them now, which is a great group of people. We really love being with them now. And that probably pretty much ends up our tour. Hit that like and subscribe button and post any notifications.